Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start inside Word with the paragraphs you want to change. Click anywhere in the first paragraph, then drag to highlight multiple paragraphs or hold Ctrl and click to add non-adjacent ones. Once done, make sure you can see the Home ribbon. This gives immediate access to spacing controls. You're preparing the selection so changes apply exactly where you need them, which avoids modifying the whole document unintentionally. Now move to the Paragraph tools to set precise spacing values. With your paragraph selected, open the Paragraph dialog via the small launcher in the Home tab or by right-clicking and choosing Paragraph. In the dialog, change before and after values in points to control space between paragraphs. 1 point is 1/72 inch. Then choose line spacing, single 1, 5, double, or exactly, and if you pick exactly, type a point value like 12 pt to lock line height. Once set, click OK to preview. This gives predictable vertical spacing throughout the selection. After applying spacing, scan the document to confirm consistency, and if you want this across headings and body text, update the relevant style so future paragraphs match automatically. If spacing looks inconsistent, select Text and click Clear All Formatting to remove overrides, then reapply spacing. Make sure compatibility settings or imported styles aren't forcing different values. If problems persist, save, close Word, and reopen or paste the text into a new document to strip hidden formatting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.